Okay, so we've had the worst experience in all our traveling life. I have traveled to more than 48, 49 countries and मेरे साथ कभी ऐसे नहीं हुआ है. It's never happened to me in any country. We have just come to Sri Lanka. We are in Hikkaduwa and we checked into our hotel. We left our bags, we did everything, and we have come out to eat some food. We just walked on the street. Randomly, we saw one restaurant called Parrot's Paradise, and we said, oh, it's on the beach, so let's go and eat something there. We have gone in, the waiter asked us to sit. He took our order, we ordered our food. And one of the guys asked us, where are you from? I said, I'm from India and my husband is from Portugal. The owner heard this and he came running, started cursing, shouting, screaming, and he said, you need to get out of my restaurant. I don't serve Indians. And we were like, but why? You know, what happened? And he was really rude, yeah? He was really very, very, very rude. And he said some Indian lady left a bad review for his restaurant last week, so he doesn't want to serve Indians. I mean, what has that got to do with us? We've come to your restaurant to give you business. And he was so rude. I still can't get over it.
Can I just add that I grew up in South Africa during the apartheid years, and I've never, ever, ever in my life gone through anything like this. I mean, the level of racism that man showed my wife was absolutely atrocious. So we're going to contact the tourism police of Sri Lanka here in Hikkaduwa and see if we can follow up with this, because I mean, it was absolutely disgusting. Never experienced anything like this in my life. Shocking.
And for a man who is so gentle, so nice to say these things, I mean, we both are shocked. We don't know how to react because that man was really rude and that man was really abusive. Like, he was literally throwing us out of his restaurant. I mean, we didn't even sit there for more than 5 minutes. All we did was just order the food because
Parrot's Paradise. Just stay away. Parrot's Paradise restaurant.
Yeah, Parrot's Paradise restaurant in Hikkaduwa. Please just, if you are an Indian, Russian or Sri Lankan, he does not even serve Sri Lankan people. Like, how horrible is that? So if you are Sri Lankan, Russian or Indian, just stay away. I think whoever is coming to Hikkaduwa, just stay away because that man is a racist, mental, psycho pig. He's horrible. Yeah, so I mean, we are still in shock. Still can't process or get over this whole thing that has happened to us. But I mean, we are not going to let this one experience ruin our holiday. We have just gotten to Sri Lanka, so yeah, we're going to enjoy ourselves. People are very nice here. Maybe we found one wrong person. So I read every Google review of this restaurant and he doesn't serve his own people. He doesn't serve Sri Lankans. Because some Sri Lankan wrote a bad review. He doesn't serve Russians, he doesn't serve Indians. Like, this man is mentally so unstable. I just, like, we wanted to run away because we were like, oh my god, maybe he'll just pick up something and hit us. It was really scary and it has scarred us. Like, mentally scarred us for the rest of our lives, I think, because this is the first time and hopefully the last time we have experienced something so bad. I mean, our Sri Lanka experiences have been so amazing all throughout. This one man has ruined it. Horrible. Like, I hope and pray I never meet any man like him again in my whole entire life. horrible. As my husband mentioned that we are going to go to the tourist police, we are going to the tourist police right now. We would just want to make a complaint against this guy because he was really rude to us. And if you're a first timer in Sri Lanka, your experience is going to be so miserable in the beginning of it. We don't want anyone who's coming here for the first time to face the same thing. So the police should be aware that this is happening in their place, in their country. But guess what? No surprise here. The cops already knew who we were talking about because they've got a number of complaints against this man. He's been given a lot of warnings and they can't do anything about it. So that's that. And we finally, din ka raat ho gaya. We finished with the tourist police. We have gone and complained against that guy. And we have to come back tomorrow at about 10 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah.
I'm not coming because they are calling that man, and then whatever they have to discuss, they will discuss. But my husband is going to be there, and yeah. So basically that's the update of what happened today, and more tomorrow. Okay, so that is the place, Parrots Paradise in Hikkaduwa. Avoid at all costs. This is the place. This is the worst place. Don't ever come here. Don't ever come here.